Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT Math test that involves the quadratic equation. I recommend you pause this video, solve the problem on your own, and then compare your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. Which of the following is the smallest solution to the equation 15x squared plus 2 times x equals 8? Well, a general quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has two solutions which are given by the quadratic formula minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. We are given the equation 15x squared plus 2 times x minus 8 equals 0. You see, I've brought 8 to the other side of the equation, therefore minus 8 here. Now, the two solutions are given by, you see, a is 15, b is 2, and c is minus 8. Therefore, we have got minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 15 times minus 8 divided by 2 times 15, which gives us minus 2 plus minus square root of, if we evaluate this expression using a calculator, we get 484 divided by 30, which gives us x1 and 2 equals minus 2 plus minus square root of 484 gives us 22 divided by 30. Now, the bigger solution is given by minus 2 plus 22 divided by 30, and the smaller solution is given by minus 2 minus 22 divided by 30. Remember, we are looking for the smallest solution, therefore we continue here to get minus 24 divided by 30, which gives us minus 4 divided by 5, and that's it. The answer is D. Great. That's a typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT Math test that involves the quadratic equation. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.